Eggs are a staple in most people's kitchen. It's usually one of the first things you learn how to cook. It's one of the simplest things to make, yet most people don't actually know the best way to cook an egg. We're going to show you tips for a soft boil, hard boil, scramble, and poached egg. First up, a soft boil. This is a beautiful jammy egg that goes great with toast if you like a nice runny egg, but is much simpler than poaching. Boil your water on the stovetop. When it comes to a boil, carefully place your eggs in with a spoon. Let them boil in the water for exactly 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Trust us, our chef Carrie has this one down to a science. When your timer goes off, take them directly from the boiling water to an ice bath for exactly 2 minutes. Your eggs are done and they'll be perfect. Crack them open over a piece of toast and enjoy your beautiful, oozing yellow yolk. A hard-boiled egg is very similar. Start with your eggs in cold water and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a rolling boil, turn the heat off and cover your pot. Let them sit in the water for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, put them into an ice water bath. This stops the eggs from continuing to cook inside. When you cut them open, the inside should be stiff, but still a beautiful bright yellow. The green ring around a yolk that you often see means that your egg is overcooked. Hard-boiled eggs are a great breakfast side, salad topping, or on-the-go snack for some healthy proteins and fat. Next up is our scrambled egg. In a bowl, combine 3 eggs and a tablespoon of milk. Whisk it up until the eggs are fluffy and frothy and completely combined. The milk will make the eggs fluff up in the pan rather than become flat and dry. Over high heat, melt about a tablespoon of butter in your saucepan. When the butter is completely melted and your pan is hot, turn your stove down to low and pour in your egg mixture. The key to perfect scrambled eggs is low and slow. Rushed eggs will taste like rubber. As the eggs begin to cook, slowly move them around in your pan so they cook evenly. When the eggs look as beautiful as this, they'll be perfectly fluffy and moist. Put it on a brioche bun with our smoky paprika chipotle aioli and bacon cooked with our bacon-glazed for the best breakfast sandwich you'll ever eat. Finally, the king of all eggs. This is probably the trickiest method, but when mastered, is extremely impressive. To poach your egg, bring your water to a rolling simmer in a large pot. Have your eggs cracked in a bowl ready to go in. Whisk your water in a whirlpool motion, creating some sort of vortex in the middle that you can carefully drop your egg into. The motion of the water like this will wrap the egg around itself and create the best shape and cook to your egg. Let it sit for 90 seconds to 3 minutes, depending on your preference. We liked ours at just over 2 minutes, creating a beautiful runny middle and soft whites. Remove it oh so carefully with a fish spatula or slotted spoon and serve it over a piece of brioche toast for a classy homemade brunch. No matter how you like your eggs, there's something for everyone in this list. Master all 4 and you'll be able to serve a perfect breakfast to just about anyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new videos.